welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all on flawless complexion. A lot of the requests that I get on Instagram and on YouTube is, Jen, how do you get your skin to look radiant, flawless, and glowing all year round? Your skin looks the same all the time. This video is for you. I'll be shelling out my best tips and tricks on how you can do this too. It's super easy, beginner friendly, so if you want to see how it's done, just keep watching. Chiutips. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. Click that notification bell because we post new videos on here every week and I'd love to see you here. I've also teamed up with Guerlain to share with you guys how I create this flawless complexion with the help of one of their best creations. I can't wait to show you guys what it is. Let's get started and show you what my tips are when it comes to getting radiant, glowing, flawless complexion. My biggest tip for flawless complexion is making sure you have the right base. First, I'll be using the new Guerlain L'Essentiel primer, which contains avocado extract, which helps absorb excess sebum to keep skin appearing matte all day, promoting shine-free skin while minimizing the appearance of pores over time. I just use about 2 drops of this primer and apply this lightly all over the face. I also love that it's a fresh, lightweight primer made with 97% naturally derived ingredients for flawless and longer-lasting makeup application. Next, I'll be using an all-time favorite, the Guerlain L'Essentiel foundation. I've worn this foundation many times on my Instagram photos and videos and I absolutely love it. The combination of the primer and foundation gives the most flawless complexion. I like to use it with the Guerlain brush just because it does such a great job of giving my skin that natural airbrush look. You can use whichever brush you want or blender you want, but I find that this one works particularly well and you don't need to use a lot of product, which is great. Moving right along, I'll be using a little bit of Maybelline Superstay concealer to cover any dark spots and under eye circles. And then taking a blending brush, I'm just going to go over these areas lightly to give my face a lifted look. When it comes to flawless complexion, less is more. If you've ever put on a ton of makeup, you know it may look good on camera, but in real life, it can sometimes look overdone. Here's the tip, you can always add more, but it's hard to take back. So here, when it comes to concealer, I always use a little bit, and if I need more, I just add on more. Keeping this in mind when you're doing your makeup makes your skin just look more natural, and you don't add on more when you don't need to. So that is a really big tip when it comes to flawless complexion. My secret tip when it comes to glowing skin is using highlight. This little guy from Marc Jacobs is the Coconut Gel Highlighter, and I've been using this for years, and I honestly think it's one of the best highlighters that I've used. Just one tiny pump can highlight your entire face. I just apply this on the bridge of the nose, the tops of the cheekbones, the cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, and it makes a huge difference. For eyeshadow, I'll be using this super cute Huda Beauty Medium Nude Obsessions eyeshadow palette. This is the color I'll be using, and I'm just going to do a light wash over the eyelids. Nothing too crazy, just something that really complements flawless complexion. Now for some contour, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Contour and Bronzer Cream, and using a slanted brush, I'm just going to carve out a little bit of the cheekbones. It just hollows this part out and gives the face more dimension, and I find that with flawless complexion and making your skin really the focus, doing a little bit of contouring really helps shape the face. Another great tip I can give you for flawless complexion is using a cream blush, just because it makes your skin look so much more natural and flawless. I've been loving the Sugarball Cushion Cheek Color by Aritaum. It's just a little bit of a flush of color to the cheeks, and it makes your skin just have that extra bit of glow, but looking super natural, and the skin is still the focus, which I love. Now I'm going to quickly curl the lashes with my Shu Uemura eyelash curler and then apply a few coats of mascara. This is the Covergirl Exhibitionist Waterproof Uncensored Mascara, and I absolutely love it. Quick tip, use a waterproof mascara if you want lifted lashes. And to finish off this look, I'm going to apply the YSL Rouge Couture in number 9. This is one of my recent favorite lipsticks. It's super nourishing, it doesn't dry out the lips, and it gives a beautiful flush of color and perfect for this flawless, natural complexion look. And this is the finished look. The skin is glowing, radiant, complexion looks great, and this is really my go-to flawless complexion makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below with what other videos you guys want to see. I'll see you guys all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.